Hello, and welcome back to Whippin in the Kitchen. This is going to be a series now, but it's not going to be consistent. It's just going to be whipping in the kitchen whenever I want. Do you like my new microphone? It's a nice bottle of wine, a lovely 2018 Merlot. Let's pop this baby open. So today we're going to be making bread. Never made bread before. I watched good old Jamie 10 minutes ago make it, so should be alright. It's not bad. Oh, that's some good. Oh, got hay fever. So the first thing you need to do is weigh out your ingredients. Most instant use packets come in 7 grams, but mine came in a 50 grams, so I'm going to have to weigh it out. Hey Siri, how many grams in a tablespoon?
Grams and tablespoons are not compatible.
So 1 tablespoon is 14 grams, I need 7, so cut that in half. So half a tablespoon. Half a tablespoon. Can you let me know if this microphone's any better? It didn't cost as much as the other one, but I thought it might do the job for being £15. So that's about 7 grams. Now what's next? Cool. And hot water. Well, that's well good. Here's 1:30 on a Wednesday. Alright, so Bossman Jamie says add yeast to warm water. That's fairly warm now. Add a little bit of sugar. So the yeast eats it, lets it eat. So let's add the yeast mix, and then add a pinch of sugar. Alright, I'm fed up with this microphone now. I'm just going to switch to a good one. Some flour. We want 500? 700? There's not 500. So you lay it out. Make a nice little circle. Oh, that feels funny in my fingers. Add a little bit of salt. That Jamie Oliver guy's just mugged me off. I've just seen a well easier one instead of putting it out onto the board. But anyway, we're here now. I think the yeast is activated. And then he just went like, bring the flour in, picking it up. I should have just done it in a bowl. What? I'm not
ruin your skull dinners.
Jamie Oliver. I mean, me and my brother are both dyslexic, but that's. Oh no! Jamie's mugged me off here. Let's just use our hands, but fuck this. Come on now. Come on now. Let's go. Oh, this is better. Okay, I think I'm going to leave it at this. And then let it rise for an hour. Get a bowl, a little bit of olive oil to lube it up. Get your dough and place it in there. Everything's overexposed. With your dough, cover up, and then let it rest for an hour to 2 hours. So it's been an hour and a half now. I was going to do it for 2 hours, but I just can't be asked to wait anymore. So we're going to take it out, see if it's risen, and then silly bake. So we have the dough now. Looks pretty good. Mum! Asking for Mummy's help.
What?
Do you know if you have to oil up the baking tray? Baking tin?
The bread?
Yeah, you just place it in, don't you?
I oil it a bit, I think.
Okay.
Just in case.
Not 100% sure though.
Okay.
I think I would be on the safe side.
So, Bossman Jamie didn't put anything in his tray. So if it goes wrong, we're blaming him. Okay. Once you've got it in here, you then leave it to proof again. So let it rise. Get like a cloth or something, dampen it, and then put it over. Then you can just leave it like this. Leave it to rise for another half an hour. It's now been about 25 minutes. We're going to check on the bread, and then we'll smack it in the oven and cook it for half an hour. I'm going to make it a bit fancy. Okay, that'll do. And then it's now oven time. Get bread, and then you just put it in the oven. Make sure it's in the center, and then just let it cook for half an hour. So while we wait, I thought we could do a little bit of gambling. Let's go to Sky Bet. Put some money on the old dogs. Sign in. Right, so we've got £10 on. Let's throw some bets down. So we want to go to live casino. Oh, we feeling then? Oh, we feeling? Oh, he looks lovely. Hello. Let's win some money. Oh, he looks nice. Let's... Hiya. Don't tell my Jeff I'm on here. Teehee. So we're gonna go on birds. What did I just put on? 50p. Oh, bet confirmed. Sick. Cool. These look fun. For £1 on birds again. Come on. Come on, Pauls. Come on, Pauls. Give me the money. Give me the money. Give me the money.
How is your day, by the way?
How do I get off this? My day is beautiful. Did I win? Nope, didn't win. I'm making bread. Oh, I couldn't put money down.
Oh, what kind of bread do you
Just white.
So, just white one.
Yep, just a white bread. Oh, oh.
So, when I
Is that a win?
do
What? You're giving me bad luck here.
what that thing? Okay.
I couldn't put another bet down. Come on, Paul, just give me some more time, man. I didn't win. 26. Oh, that then will be my third. Sick. Let's go on first halves. If I don't win this one, Paul, I'm gonna leave. I'm leaving, Paul. Alright, fuck. See you later, Paul. You're doing nothing to me. Alright, let's find someone better. Paul's not what we want. Let's go to the Sky Roulette. We've got £6.50 left. Paul's just taking our money. What's poppin'? So it's been hit black twice.
Yo, what's poppin', Tropic? How you doing, fella?
I'm doing swell, lad.
Popping and locking, kid.
So it's black again, so I'm thinking a red.
Doing well, how are you doing well? Did you have a good day today?
Yes,
First
boss.
Yeah, first call model to load in the second call. Two, what's up? Two riders.
Been making bread, lad.
Red.
So let's go red. Come on, we need at least a win. Easy wins! Little wins are the best wins.
Yes, boss. We've been making
Bread.
breakfast. Is that what you meant? What?
Bread. Okay, so let's go on thirds.
You making
And
bread?
a red.
Wow, okay. Nice.
Yeah.
You're
A
gonna be sending
nice
some fresh bread over, Toppy?
white home loaf. Trying to win a few quids
Yeah, nice
before
white home loaf.
it's out the oven. 22 on black. What did I vote?
You get it taken over now. Trying to win a few bing bongs before it's out of oven. Let's do it. You're a football fan, Toppy.
4.
Seen that about Newcastle's takeover.
I don't like sports. I love sports. More of a
first time even still on number. Unlucky for Jordan,
tennis
isn't it? Unlucky.
player myself.
Donald the
Let's go mids again, mid section. Oh, little.
More of a tennis player.
Yeah. I'll just throw in 10 quid down the drain. See you later, Corey. You're not doing it for me. Let's go to the street.
Have you ever had a dream that you had?
Prestige worldwide. Hiya. So let's analyze. So it's like throwing money in. It's gonna be a midsection. I'm making bread. Ooh. Wow.
Very much.
2. That's why. He won 3k. Okay, let's go red. Let's just go red. I've got £1.50 left because it's a beautiful day for a nice loaf. Red! Let's go! Let's go! Big wins. Big wins. Yes! £2! £2! We didn't make any money. But that's part of the risk of gambling. So gamble responsibly. Spend your furlough money because you don't need it. It's now ready to take out of the oven. I think it looks a bit doughy. Get your wire rack out.
How does that sound to you? I think it sounds amazing.
All the time I turn around, brothers gather round, always looking at me up and down, looking at my I just wanna say it now, I ain't turning around, the drum a little mama, I don't wanna take it.
So this is my first ever bread. I might start a series, whipping in the kitchen. Don't expect regular videos, but they're just going to be titled different now. Just me whipping in the kitchen. Cheers. Thanks. See you later.
Just a little bit conceited that I keep on repeating how the boys wanna eat, but I'm trying to tell that I can't be treated like